Hey auto good fans, and welcome back. Today, we're casting our gaze into the very near future of exhilarating open-top motoring. This is the Polestar 6, a concept turned reality, poised to become what many are calling the most stylish, sporty electric roadster on the planet. The Polestar 6 began life as the stunning concept, and Polestar made the bold decision to put it into production due to overwhelming public demand. This hardtop electric roadster retains almost all of the concept's striking visual appeal. Its design language is unmistakably Polestar, characterized by clean, sharp lines, a low and wide body, and athletic proportions. It's an evolution of the design cues first seen in the Polestar Precept concept. The Polestar 6 measures 4,606 millimeters in length, 1,995 millimeters in width, and has a wheelbase of 2,735 millimeters, giving it a compact yet muscular stance that screams performance. The short overhangs and long wheelbase ensure a balanced and dynamic look, pushing the wheels out to the corners for maximum visual impact and handling prowess. At its core, the Polestar 6 is built on a bespoke bonded aluminum platform, which it shares with the upcoming Polestar 5 luxury sedan. Now for the thrilling part, its electric powertrain. The Polestar 6 will feature an 800-volt electric architecture, just like the Polestar 5, enabling extremely fast charging and high-efficiency power delivery. It is powered by a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. This formidable system delivers a combined output of an impressive 650 kilowatts, 880 for horsepower, and a colossal 900 newton meters, 663 pounds-ft of torque. This incredible power means the Polestar 6 won't just look fast, it will be blisteringly quick. The performance figures are indicative of its high-performance aspirations. Polestar is targeting a scorching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration time of just 3.2 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, ensuring it's a true electric sports car, capable of thrilling speeds on open roads or track days. Range is also a key consideration for any electric vehicle, especially a Grand Tourer. The Polestar 6 is expected to deliver an estimated WLTP range of over 480 to kilometers 300 miles on a single charge. This ample range, combined with its 800-volt architecture, means it will be capable of very fast charging, likely supporting rates that allow for significant range replenishment in short periods, making it genuinely usable for long journeys. The interior of the Polestar 6 continues the brand's signature, minimalist design aesthetic, but with a focus on premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is configured as a snug 2+2, offering limited but usable space for occasional rear passengers. A large, portrait-oriented 15-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running a future version of Polestar's Google-based software interface, ensuring seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. The concept even featured exterior cameras in place of traditional mirrors, a cool tech feature that might or might not make it to production depending on regulations. Beyond its performance and design, the Polestar 6 will feature advanced safety and driver assistance features, drawing from Volvo's renowned expertise in this area. The folding retractable hardtop roof is power-operated, allowing for a seamless transition from a sleek coupe to an exhilarating open-top roadster. The Polestar 6 is more than just an electric car. It's a bold statement about the future of open-top performance. It blends breathtaking design with cutting-edge electric powertrain technology and a sustainable approach to materials. Only 500 units of the LA concept launch edition were released for pre-order, priced around $200,000, and they sold out within a week, showcasing the immense global demand for this unique vehicle. Production is slated to begin in 2026. The Polestar 6 represents a new era for stylish, sporty, and exhilarating electric driving.